Can I really improve my mobility naturally with these Burdock Root and Glycine smoothies? If you're like many of us, you might be searching for ways to boost your energy and move more freely without relying on artificial solutions. One often overlooked aspect of our health that plays a huge role in our mobility is liver function. A healthy liver is essential for filtering out toxins and supporting our overall well-being. By focusing on natural liver detox methods, we can potentially enhance our mobility and feel more vibrant. A burdened liver can lead to inflammation throughout the body, which in turn can make everyday movements feel harder. When your liver is struggling to detoxify your system, it can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body. These toxins can cause joint pain and muscle stiffness, making it difficult to move freely. For instance, if you're experiencing stiffness in your joints or feeling sluggish after meals, it could be a sign that your liver needs a little extra support. The liver's role in detoxification is crucial, but when it's not functioning optimally, it can have a ripple effect on our entire body. Inflammation caused by a burdened liver can lead to reduced mobility and a host of other issues. This is why it's so important to support liver health through natural means. By doing so, we can help our bodies function more efficiently and maintain our mobility. Supporting liver health naturally isn't just about avoiding toxins. It's also about providing the liver with the nutrients it needs to function properly. This is where dietary choices come into play. Incorporating specific foods and ingredients into our diets can make a significant difference in our liver's ability to detoxify and support our overall health. So, what can we do to support our liver and enhance our mobility? One effective approach is to incorporate specific ingredients into our diet that are known to support liver health. Burdock root and glycine are two powerful ingredients that can make a significant impact on liver health. Burdock root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its detoxifying properties, while glycine is an amino acid that plays a crucial role in liver function. By combining these ingredients into a smoothie, you can create a delicious and potent drink that supports your liver and enhances your mobility. The benefits of burdock root are numerous, from its antioxidant properties to its ability to support the lymphatic system. Glycine, on the other hand, helps to promote liver function and can even aid in the reduction of inflammation. When combined, these ingredients create a powerful synergy that can help to detoxify the liver and support overall health. Making this smoothie is incredibly easy and can be a great addition to your daily routine. To make it, you'll need some burdock root powder, glycine powder, your choice of milk or juice, and any additional ingredients you like. Simply blend everything together, add a bit of honey or stevia if you prefer it sweeter, and you're good to go. Let's quickly go over how to make this smoothie. First, add a teaspoon of burdock root powder and a teaspoon of glycine powder to your blender. Then, add in your preferred milk or juice. Blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. You can add a bit of honey or stevia if you prefer it sweeter. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. Incorporating this smoothie into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your liver health and mobility. The combination of burdock root and glycine works to detoxify the liver, reduce inflammation, and support overall vitality. To recap, by supporting liver health through natural means like the burdock root and glycine smoothie, we can potentially enhance our mobility and feel more vibrant. This approach is all about empowering ourselves with the knowledge and tools we need to take control of our health. Have you ever tried glycine, burdock root, or both? Share your experience or questions in the comments. I read everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vitality Vibes 101 for more simple, science-informed tips to help you stay active, healthy, and independent after 55. Until next time, keep your vibes high and your health even higher.